Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2018 Citroen Berlingo van, stock reference number 4644. This shape runs from the 11th month 2015 through to the 12th month 2018. It has a B9C 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an manual front-wheel drive transmission. B9C 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear end. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror. This vehicle is fitted with 15-inch steel rims. The left front has a good tyre. Both left hand doors appear to have no damage apart from stickers on the rear door on both doors. Left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Left hand tail light, right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. There's the driver's side door trim, power window master switches. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, right hand sun visor, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, touchscreen media player, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.